In 1861, a peculiar event unfolded in London. A cat named Whiskers became a sensation for sitting on a mat at the British Museum. Why? It was drawn to the warmth of the Egyptian artifacts. Whiskers, with its regal demeanor, seemed to channel the spirit of ancient pharaohs. Visitors flocked to see this feline, believing it was a reincarnated deity. Could a simple mat hold such allure? The museum capitalized on this, boosting attendance. Whiskers' fame faded, but its story remains a quirky footnote in history. Curious about more odd tales? Hit the like button, subscribe, and comment.